The Sikorsky Nomad family is a new series of VTOL drones with rotor blown wing technology, combining helicopter-style vertical lift and hover capabilities with the speed and range of fixed-wing flight, all without runways. The lineup spans from backpack-sized Scouts to Black Hawk-sized aircraft, supporting missions like reconnaissance, light attack, logistics, and search and rescue. Small variants use hybrid electric propulsion for quiet operation, while larger models employ conventional drivetrains for heavier payloads and longer endurance. All Nomads operate autonomously with Sikorsky's Matrix technology and can land or take off from confined or austere locations, serving military and civilian needs across land and sea.